methods of increasing friction. All right, one of the methods of friction is by the threading of tires. You will find that these threading of tires, due to which, all right, there is more grip between the road and the vehicle. Because of these, when there is a brake, when the brakes are being applied, because of these grooves, there is more friction, and this helps to prevent many accidents. Had there these grooves of the tires being less, then you will find that the tires will slip, or the risk of skidding of vehicles takes place. Also, you will find that the many players, in the below their shoes, they are given spikes. This will increase the friction between the foot of the player and the ground when he is running on the ground while playing any kind of sports. All right, this will prevent the player from falling down. Now, gymnasts and others also, whenever they are playing, they apply some kind of powder on their hand to get a grip on the pole, or especially when they are playing those gymnastics, okay, so that they do not fall. Then you will find that there are certain machine belts. They are made of special materials to increase the friction. Now, there are certain methods of reducing friction. In certain cases, we need to reduce the friction. So, this can be made by either polishing the surfaces, all right, or it can be reduced by applying lubricants or oil. When we apply lubricants or oil, it increases the distances between the two surfaces, hence the interlocking becomes less, due to which there is less friction. And this can also be done by applying wheels. If we put wheels on the box here, we will find that there is less friction between the box and the ground, all right, and hence it is be able to move heavy luggage by using wheels. Now, friction can also be used by using ball bearings, all right, which will increase the friction between the moving parts of machines. Now, last but not the least, we have fluid friction. Fluid friction is the friction which is exerted by liquids and gases. All right. Now, here you will find that frictional force by a fluid depends upon 4 factors. It depends upon the speed of the object, the shape of the object, the size of the object, and the nature of the fluid. The higher the speed moving through the object, greater will be the frictional force. And the objects having streamlined shape. Streamlined shape is like this kind of shape. All right, streamlined shape. This will also reduce the friction. When these objects move through fluids, you will find that they will face less friction. Then the larger the size of an object, the size of the object really matters. The larger the size of the object, greater will be the frictional force. All right, and the higher the viscosity of that is the thickness of the fluid, greater will be the frictional force. So these are some of the there are certain disadvantages, however, of this frictional force. It reduces the speed of objects, and when objects move to the fluids, they lose some of their energy in overcoming the fluid friction. So this method, I told you already, that we can reduce by using streamlined shaped objects.